Hey there, as you probably have seen in my last video, I completed the attachment point at the front of the track onto the Snowcat chassis here. I'm going to leave attaching the rear support arms until I can get some more steel in from the supplier. So having said that, for now I'm going to work on the belt tensioner that's going to keep the drive belt for the hydraulic pumps under constant tension as the machine operates. So here you go. So I have the pumps and the engine bolted into the chassis, and this belt here that I estimated I would need is a B45, and it's looking like it's a little too long for what I want. I'd prefer to have the deflection end somewhere about there, and I'll just end up having to pick up maybe I'm thinking a B43 might be more appropriate, but for now, just for getting the pulley, the tensioner set up, this will work. So I'm gonna figure out exactly how I'm gonna mount this in here now. Voila, we have the tensioner arm tacked into place. Pivots on this 1/2-inch bolt here, and you can tighten that in, and then on the back side there's a nut that will more or less lock that into place. And then I've got 3 adjustable holes here that will allow me to kind of move that around if I need to for some reason. The only part that's missing now, and I'm just waiting for it to come in, is the spring that will actually pull this in towards the center and actually tension that belt. So until I get that, I really can't go any further. I'm not going to commit to a length where I'm going to cut this yet, but there will be some kind of hole or something that I'll end up drilling in here to attach that spring, and it'll probably come back more or less to the side over here, and then just stay clear of the belt. But for now, that's where we're going to leave it.